Hello YouTube! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make this your own Taser plus Emp Jammer combo device. Let's get started. So in this device, it is very simple to build and to use also. This device is a nightmare for both biological creatures and mechanical conservation too. Any biological creature ranging from bacteria to a big human or elephant can be shocked and temporarily paralyzed with this device. And also any mechanical thing or electronical thing like a wireless headphone, wireless earphone, AirPods, and even the massive iPhone 7 can be shocked with this device. Anything which runs on electronics can be fried with this because this device produces rapid pulses of electromagnetic field, and this is device capable and which disrupt the electronic communication. As you can see, this device is very easily able to hold, as I am easily holding this device, and we can keep this device in your purses, bags, and even in your hand where you move. This device can be used as a prank or as for safety too. This device is being packed in the very tough container. I have choose this as an airtight. This device consists of switch. This is the most select, and this was the spark gap for adjusting the frequency of the jammer. And these are the two electrodes of the tracer. So, and I would tell you in detail with this, but first I'm going to show you how the inside of this device looks. The inside is complicated, but it is very simple to understand. So the device has a power supply of 6 cells, 6 volts. This is the high voltage converter, is the heart, this is the power supply, the brain, and these are the switches of the device which control the modes. And here is the coil which is tied with zip ties. This is the coil glued on the base. This acts as an electromagnetic jammer, which creates electromagnetic pulses as the spark gap is there. And the schematic of the device will be given to you later on. And this device is very simple to build. You see, it's fairly simple, just the wires and connections and some switches, and you need very little knowledge of electronics to build this device. You just need a high voltage converter, some cells, 3 to 4 push button switches, and 2 electrodes, and a box to contain as well. And some little assembly tools like screwdrivers, hot glue gun, soldering iron, and extra stuff like screwdrivers. That's all. And with this, you can build your own high voltage converter, or we say an EMP jammer plus taser. The device is looks very good in this tutorial, and now I'm going to show you how the EMP jammer works. As you can see, this multimeter, the voltage is saying 0. This means that there is nothing in voltage. When I switch it to the EMP jammer mode, you can see the inside of the block splash. This means the EMP is working inside, and you can see that there is some deflection in the multimeter, which shows that some EMP or magnetic field is being produced. And you can see this goes to rate and varying resolution. If I keep this for a longer time, then there is a possibility of that this thing can get disrupted or damaged. And this is used for adjusting the frequency of the EMP generator. And now for the schematic, I'm going to show you what is this. Right now I'm going to write the schematic for you so that you can easily understand it. And the schematics works from a power supply. From the power supply, the wire goes to the high voltage through a momentary push button switch, which I am now going to create, and it goes to the high voltage converter. The high voltage converter has two input wires and two output wires. You have to find out the red and black, the red one for the positive and the black one for the negative. And now I'm going to label the output wires, but first let's label the negative ion and the positive. Now the output would be same in colors, red in my case, and it's gonna, the one of them gonna go to the center of this, and from there it is going to the switches. And from there you can see the switches has three output, and one goes to the center, one goes to the coil, and one goes to the negative from this. And the negatives are both connected, and this is the EMP jammer circuit. So now this is the input, the switch, the high voltage converter, positive negative, the output switch, and that's all in this tutorial. And now I'm gonna talk you about the legal restrictions. This device is very easy, but it should be legal in your places, and you should use it that every time you think. So thanks for watching everybody, and please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks.